Asia Cup group announced. India and Pakistan are in the same group. A day earlier, thanks to the Indian media, cricket fans had planned that India and Pakistan would be in the same group in the upcoming Asia Cup cricket tournament. Although no official announcement had been made yet, this afternoon Saturday, Asian Cricket Council Chairman and Pakistan Cricket Board President Mahdi Naqib announced in a message on his X handle that the 17th edition of Asia Cup Cricket will be held from September 9 to September 28, and the venue will be the United Arab Emirates. At the same time, he said that the detailed schedule will be announced shortly after. Chairman Mohsin Naqib posted on X. The ACC released the grouping and detailed schedule. It shows that the two arch rival India and Pakistan have been placed in Group A. A total of 8 teams are participating in the Asia Cup. Two groups of 4 teams each have been formed. The top 2 teams from these 2 groups will advance to the second round. With a total of 4 teams, the top 2 teams at the end of the round robin league will play the final. Group A includes India, Pakistan, United Arab Emirates and Oman. Group B includes Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan and Hong Kong.